Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is not very difficult. It involves preparing the soil, planting vegetables or flowers and paying attention to the garden. Many people make gardening their hobby and it is also a good form of exercise. The first step in gardening is the preparation of the soil. If the soil is not good of the garden will not flourish. Dig the surface of the earth, then mix the top soil with manure and water. If you are planning a vegetable garden, prepare hedges for different vegetables. You hope to plant, however, flowers do not need hedge. The vegetables or flowers that you will plant are often young plants in a waterproof bag. Dig a small hole, place the small plants along with the soil into the garden and cover with the mixed soil. Water the new plants. After planting, you should pay close attention to your garden. This involves removing the weeds, removing dead leaves around the plants, and watering the garden often. And gardening makes one happy when one is trying to studying or staying indoor. Gardening gives one the opportunities to make light work outside. Moving around in the garden is also a kind of exercise for the body. A garden is also beneficial as it provides people with the flowers and vegetables. And gardening is the very good hobby because gardening are the favorite part time environment time parts and etc. Gardening is the professional hobby because it is a so financial work, and gardening is a more essential part of our lives and my favorite hobby also, and you can adopt it. And the garden in front of my house is small, no doubt, but I am proud. I feel lost. I am watchful in the beauty of the plums and blooms around me, surrounded by the beds of flowers in a smaller lawn with soft velvety green grass. I am very fond of this. Thanks for watching.